ABS light is on. The code reader said it's this sensor. Jack up the bus. Take out the screws for the simulator. Take off the simulator. Take off these big nuts. Get out the big gun because you're tired of messing around. Take the tires off. Pull the drum off after you release the brakes. And voila, there's your pesky sensor causing your problems. Get you a new sensor and some zip ties. Remove that old sensor. Cut a bunch of zip ties. Unplug the old sensor. Remove that grommet and pull this old sensor out of here. Reuse this conduit on the new sensor. Remove the little clip that's in here. The new sensor comes with a new clip. Put that new clip in. Fish this new sensor back through. And pull it through the other side. Guess you're supposed to lubricate this sensor before you put it in. Looks good enough to me. Alright, sensor's in, no gap. I did pull that wire back out, and now I'll try and get that wire back through, fish through. Put this grommet back on in the back here where it goes. Good. Got all your zip ties put back on. Sensor plug back in. Drum back on. Put a couple of drops of oil on these studs because these are hub piloted wheels. And a couple of drops of oil on these nuts between the washer and the nut. Tires back on. Lug nuts back on. Torque lugs to 475. This works better with two people. Alright, ABS light is cleared, so here's the moment of truth and see if it comes back on. Alright!